this video, I wanted to talk about a rectifier. So if you don't want to know how I did it, you just fast forward to look at the oscilloscope stuff. But this is the circuit that you normally see for a rectifier, and here's one that's just twisted together. I made a breadboard one with this circuit, and I'll go over that. And all of these are connected together. This makes the DC negative, and that's the black part of the diode if you're new to messing with these. This side is DC positive, and then I've got the capacitor and the resistor here. Like I said, all these are connected together, and then I feed the AC, which is a blue wire from the stepper motor, into that one, and a red wire from the stepper motor into this one. And again, this is what it looks like. Here's my red wire, and this is soldered on. It's technically a blue wire on the stepper. First, I'm just going to test the motors spinning with the drill about 2,000 RPMs through the rectifier. You can see the great looking sine wave. It's all positive. The little 1 in the bottom left hand corner of the screen is the 0 line. So, you know, it's not going negative. It's just positive like it should be. Now I'm just going to add in a capacitor in the circuit. It's 100 microfarad, 35 volt. I don't even know microfarad as far as what matters or not, but I'm not testing that right now. But 35 volts definitely going to work for this. You can see it just smooths everything out, and you can actually see it start to drop if I just leave it there and not do anything, and that's just the capacitor losing the charge that it stores. So here is the test with a resistor added. It's a 5 ohm resistor rated at 20 watts, so it's not going to burn up like the resistor in the beginning of the video, which was only rated for 1/4 watt. But with 3.6 volts, 4 volts, you know, somewhere around there, we get 0.8 amps based on the 5 ohms, and then that gives 3.2 watts total power that it's actually outputting. So I actually ended up trying a lot of different resistors that I didn't even talk about, but you know, I just kind of jumped around 330 ohm, 56 ohm, 1000 ohm, just to see what my currents would be and then what the power would be. Kind of centered around 27 ohms seems to be, you know, the most power I got out of this setup. Don't really know why yet, but I'll try and research that. So if anybody knows, you know, why, let me know.